about this. We rolling right now?
Well,
favorite part of the academy. It's an easy one, right? I would say how little caffeine it took to get through, but no. Pretty much bonding with everybody. I don't want to say brotherhood, but it was more, you always hear about family and coming together as one, and I mean everybody out here proved it to me. I had some tough times happen throughout the academy, and everybody pulled together and just made stuff happen, and that doesn't happen anywhere else besides the fire service. So having that happen here proves it all to you. You're in the right field, and you just got to work hard.
So I'd say my favorite part of the academy was getting to experience that brotherhood and that family of everyone coming together. We hear the fire service is unique for that, but getting to actually experience it firsthand for ourselves and coming together as an entire group really sets this academy apart, I think, from some of the other ones around here.
my favorite part, oh wait.
The opportunities that we were given and being able to have such amazing instructors and being able to meet a whole bunch of new people.
Wow, her answer was so serious, and I was just thinking of like,
Thank you. I would say this is probably the first time I'm able to actually be in a brotherhood and be a part of something that's bigger than myself, and it was just an awesome experience.
Getting back that camaraderie thing that I had in the Army, because I mean this is very much like that. Everything to do with this is all about looking out for each other, and I think for most people here they haven't had that, and me getting that back for everybody, I think it was just, you know.
I've been on teams before, but the chemistry that, I mean, personally, that Company 5 has is very strong, and that's something that I value and that I really care about. These guys are pretty much brothers to me now.
You can say whatever you want.
my favorite part of the academy is having Kira in my group, 100%. My shining star, right here.
Which chair?
Either or.
I'll take both. Yeah, I'm happy to be here.
What did I learn at the dang Firefighter Academy? I learned how to be polite and just outstanding team member, and to throw hose. I meant hoses.
I'm gonna miss everyone in this academy. You know, they become our second family.
You're a great dude. Oh, we should not cuss. You're a great dude, Harris. I'm done.
One of the greatest things about the academy is the camaraderie that we all had, and then just how far we've come since that first week.
We've really grown as a group, and we've learned a bunch as the semester has gone on. We've done things that I think a lot of us beforehand maybe thought we weren't capable of, and we've overcame those challenges.
On a serious note, it's probably my favorite part of the academy is probably the connections we've made throughout this class, and man, you're probably gonna have a bunch of people saying things along those lines, but that's how I truly feel.
Right here, it's our BC. This guy is a straight role model for everyone in here. It's been crazy. We've been through hell and back. I'm really proud of everyone in this academy for what we've gone through. We've had the funniest moments and some of the most painful moments, but we made it. I can't wait to see everyone in their future departments.
Shadow and the smoke in your eyes. I am the ghost that hides in the night. Wait is the exception to the rule. Every one of us is expendable. One push is all you'll need. A fist first philosophy. We watch with wounded eyes. So I hope you recognize I'm on the front line. Don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so on to the regret. And now I know that I'm alive. I'm on the front line. Don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so on to the regret. And now I see the world through diamond eyes. Every night of my life, I watch angels fall from the sky. Every time that the sun still sets, I pray they don't take I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to regret. I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to the regret. And now I know that I'm alive. I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to the regret. And now I see the world through diamond eyes. I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to the regret. And now I see the world through diamond eyes.
Hey, do you remember what Captain Eggman was saying about cheeseburgers through a window or something?
Yeah, so he's always like saying and stuff like when people are sucking that if they don't want to be here or they can't make it, that he always needs somebody handing him a cheeseburger through a window when he's sitting in his car. So.
Just 2 cheeseburgers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pick up and carry. And spot and raise. We're doing extend fly, 4th floor rescue.
Fingers and toes.
Fingers and toes. Extend fly. Rotate ladder.
The burger, sir.
I know I passed module 2, but I figured I'd bring you a cheeseburger through a window anyways.
Nice.
McDonald's. Have a good day, sir. It's like, yeah, I'll eat that son of a bitch. Leave it there. Yeah. No, he was stoked about it.
That's why we're here. For each other.
Man, my word.
Legs are tied, these hands are broken. Alone I try, with words unspoken. Silent cry, a breath is frozen. With blinded eyes,